Hi guys, good evening. Right now it's about 8 minutes past 8 p.m. and today's 27th of August 2020. I'm your host Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a PhD in physics from IIT Delhi and uh, SEBI registered research analyst, founder and chief mentor at StockPro, partner with Zerodha, Upstocks, Fires and Astha. And um, if you want to reach out to my team, these are the various ways: Telegram, website, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, mobile. Just call up the team. They will help you out and help you in understanding whatever you want to know, right? So these are the various methods you can reach out to my team, right? So quickly now let me take you to my some of the stocks that I've filtered. But before that, I would like to show you these are the stocks that I have given, and you can check each one of them, right? Each one of them, right? Have a look at GNFC, how beautifully it has blasted. I have given a buy at 180. It has made a high of 230. I have given Phillips Carbon at 125. Just have a look. Phillips Carbon SCI. So just quickly have a look. And why am I showing this? Because there has to be an accountability, right? Because what I'm doing, I have to give you an account of that, whether it worked or it didn't work. So from 125 to 134, not bad, right? Then SCI Bombay Dyeing. SCI Shipping Corporation of India. So wherever I have given, it has given good 2.5 points from there. And then Bombay Dyeing, it has been given at 70 something and it's made a high of 79, right? So these are the stocks. You can check Balrampur Chini, Dhampur Chini. So these are the stocks that I have given on this particular video on 13th of August. Today, where do we stand? 27th of August, right? So the first stock that I had given was Jubilant Food. Have a look at Jubilant Food, right? This you can see here, right here. I'm showing Jubilant Food, right? I've given a buy when this cluster of candle was formed, and have a look how this stock has performed. It just blasted today, right? It's been blasting for quite some time, but look at the blast. So how do you catch price way in advance? That's what the whole thing is, right? And see, from here it just blasted to this place. 1913 1910 was my buy price. 2210 इसने high बनाया है, right? That means a full 300 points. 300 points is huge amount of money. Then you have the next stock here, Jubilant Food. This is LIC Housing Finance. I'll just show you this, and I just want to show you first the stocks, then we will discuss. Then the LIC Housing Finance, DLF. I've given DLF. You just have a look at here. DLF is the next stock, and the last stock that I have given was, I think, Voltas. Voltas is my last stock. I think in this only I have given. Voltas was given in this particular. So here is Voltas, right? So Voltas, DLF, and LIC Housing Finance. So see, LIC Housing Finance from here itself, I've given somewhere here 281 or 282. It's made a high of 303. The next one is DLF. Look at the blast DLF has given. So positionals, these stocks are usually positional and they need your patience, right? From 160 to 181. That's the other one. Look at Voltas. How Voltas blasted, right? BSC, NSC. Here is Voltas. I've given a buy at this place. It made a high till this point. 620 to 680. And the last that I had given was Jubilant Food. Right? Did you see the blast in the stocks? So this is the accountability I have. So I've come back with another few stocks. But before I go on to the stocks, have a look at the Nifty. Now this part which I was worried about has been filled up, but yet I'm not worried, but I'm very careful, right? Why? Because anytime, any moment, fall can come. Although if you have a look at it, although international markets are very, very positive, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, S&P, or even if you look into the FTSE, all of them are positive, right? But at this point, when you reach to the peak, you have to be careful. More chances of falling down than for going up, right? So I'm being extremely careful. So in this extreme careful environment, I have picked up a few stocks. So first one of them is Glenmark, right? Glenmark Pharma. So this is that period when they had this COVID news. It went up, came down, respected this trend line, and going along this trend line now, slowly, gradually. Now, again, this is a very crucial place for Glenmark Pharma. 510, above 510 we will buy, and our stop loss will be 10 points. Our target will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and finally 570 will be our final target. There's another stock that's looking very, very good to me is Concor, right? Concor is basically had a very, very massive fall due to some news or something. I really don't know what. And then it is trying to pick itself up, right? And I have seen it is having a lot of, this is an accumulation zone. If you notice this place is an accumulation zone for this stock, right? By having a look at this, you can know that the stock is being accumulated by somebody, I don't know who, continuously. So above this place we will buy, above 400 we will buy with a stop loss of about 6 points. Our target will be 10, 20, 30, 40, and if 440 is crossed, I can definitely expect it to reach to 470, but it will take about month and a half. Then we have Exide. So Exide looks very good. Why? Because one is that the auto sector is booming right now, not that the sales have gone up, not that anything has changed so far as the pandemic is concerned. There is no vaccination, there's nothing. But what has changed is the GST, that's applicable on the two-wheelers. So that's a kind of positive point. And Exide makes batteries, and the batteries are used in two-wheelers and four-wheelers. Hence, you can see it picking up some momentum. So above this place, which is 176, we can expect a blast in the upper direction. Our first target is going to be 180, then 184, then 188, then 192, then 195. And our stop loss is going to be 170. 174, 6 we are buying, 172 will be our stop loss. Then we have HDFC Life. See, there are three stocks that I would like to talk about. All of them had buying today, right? This is HDFC Bank, no, HDFC Life. This is ICICI Prudential, and this is SBI Life. All three of them are looking very good to me, but I have made a choice for HDFC Life, right? I'm somehow finding it good. And above what we have to buy, above today's high. If you have a look at it, this is a pattern, a candlestick pattern, a big red candle and a tiny, a small candle. Please write in the comment box what do you call this pattern, right? Write proper full name, right? And then how and when do we enter into this stock? If the stock opens from today's closing, if it opens gap up and crosses the high of today, then we can take an entry in this, and it's again a positional stock. Our stop loss is going to be just about 10 points. Our targets will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Our final target will be about 650 or 648. And the last stock that I have on my radar is again LIC Housing Finance. And if you notice, this pattern is the same pattern as I talked about in HDFC Life. So please write down in the comment box what do you call this pattern, what indication do you get from here, and just have a look at it, right? I just want to explain you a little bit. So see here, this was open equal to high, came down. This candle came down. It's a pure bearish sentiment, right? This was a pure bullish sentiment. Price rejection means sellers are sitting here. Then again, open equal to high. And now this candle is tiny, right? I agree. The strength of bulls is not as strong as the strength of these bears, but yet it managed. See, yesterday this opened here and closed here. Yet they managed to close the stock above yesterday's low. So that means bulls are also not weak. They are pretty much powerful. So if stock opens tomorrow above 305, we will have first target at 30, 309, and if 309 crosses, then we can expect 320, 330, 340, 350, 360, 370, 380, 400 is going to be my final target, and that to be maybe in a month and a half time. And your stop loss is going to be very small, of about we're going to buy it above 305. Our stop loss is 296 on 297. So these are my stocks. Just keep them on radar, and for your convenience, what I have done, I have write their entries out here, and you will be able to find these on my Telegram channel as well. So remain connected, stay tuned, and keep watching the trades. This is my Telegram channel. Please remain connected, and send your queries, write down on the YouTube whatever we have discussed. And I have asked you, what is this pattern called? What do you call this pattern, right? Candlestick pattern. It's a two candlestick pattern, right? Even this, what do you call? So I want to hear from you. Please, let's have two-way communication. Take care. Bye bye. Take care of your health, take care of your parents, take care of your money. That's your responsibility. Don't blame that you gave it and my stop loss and the stop loss, your stop loss was it. No, it's not I have given, but you have made a choice. So please take thoughtful decisions about what you want to trade, how you want to trade, what should be your stop loss, what is your loss bearing capacity, and then trade. Take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow, and stay tuned on my Telegram channel. Take care. Bye bye.